Introducing the Ninja SLUSHi Max frozen drink maker. The Ninja SLUSHi Max turns almost any drink into the perfect slush with no ice, no dilution, and no guesswork. Featuring new SlushAssist and Rapid Chill Pro technology, SlushAssist senses your ingredients and auto-adjusts the temperature, tailoring to any recipe for the perfect slush every time. And now, entertain a crowd with the 4.4-litre vessel. Here is what's included when you open the box. The SLUSHi Max motor base with cooling evaporator, vessel and premium pour handle, auger, condensation catch, 2-piece drip tray, vessel pour and cover with easy fill port. We've also included frequently asked technology questions, tips and tricks, a recipe inspiration guide, and additional quick start instructions. This can all be accessed through the provided QR code. Make sure all parts are cleaned before first use. Ensure the unit is upright for at least 2 hours before use. To disassemble, pull the bail handle forward and remove the vessel. Next, slide off the auger and pull out the condensation catch. Rinse all removed components. To reassemble, first install the condensation catch by sliding it into the rail grooves. Next, install the auger by sliding it over the evaporator and rotating it until it fits into place on the pin located at the front of the cooling evaporator. Slide the vessel over the installed auger. Make sure the bail handle is in the open position before installing the vessel. Push the bail handle back to secure the vessel into place. Remove drip tray from storage location on the side of the unit and insert the drip tray in front of the motor base. Plug the unit in and power on. Open the cover on top of the vessel or fully remove the vessel cover and set aside. Slowly pour liquids through the easy fill port and close the cover. Make sure your ingredients reach at least the minimum 710 ml fill line or does not exceed the 3,310 ml maximum fill line. Next, select your program. We recommend using SlushAssist, our smart program that takes the guesswork out of slushing. SlushAssist senses your ingredients, detects the unique freezing point, and auto-adjusts the temperature for the perfect slush every time. When SlushAssist is selected, the unit will sense your ingredients for 10 to 15 minutes to determine the ideal temperature for your recipe. While in the sensing stage, the LED screen will be showing the word sensing as the ideal temperature is being calculated. When the ideal temperature has been determined, the control dial displays the target temperature, and the slushing continues. Our Rapid Chill Pro technology instantly begins the cooling process, turning your liquid to slush without ice. The SLUSHi Max alerts will inform you if a modification is needed to your recipe to form the perfect slush. The LED screen will alert you to add water if you have exceeded the 20% alcohol guideline, or will add sugar if your recipe requires to reach the required amount of 5 grams per 100 milliliters. Once you have adjusted your recipe, press the selected program again on the control panel to resume slushing and clear the error. If either of these messages are displayed on the LED screen, refer to the instruction guide or the tips, tricks and troubleshooting video for further details on how to resolve the alerts. If using diet or low-sugar beverages, refer to the inspiration guide for additional required ingredients. Once SlushAssist is done sensing and smart alerts have been resolved, you can use the 15 temperature controls to customize your drink texture based on your preferences. When using SlushAssist program, you can adjust your texture after the sensing stage has completed and the temperature setting has been displayed on the dial. To adjust the texture to a thicker or spoonable output, turn the dial 1 to 2 ticks clockwise and wait 5 to 10 minutes for texture change. To adjust the texture to a thinner, more sippable output, turn the dial 1 to 2 ticks counterclockwise and wait 5 to 10 minutes for texture change. When your drink has reached its final temperature, the unit will beep, the dial LEDs will be solid, and the word "Enjoy" will appear on the LED screen to indicate your drink is complete. The Ninja SLUSHi Max can run for up to 12 hours at a time, maintaining the temperature. When ready to dispense, keep the unit running and place a cup on the center of the drip tray under the handle and gently pull the handle to the open position. To stop, release the handle back into place. Enjoy your smooth, full-flavor frozen drink.